All right, guys, so in 2017, at the very end of it is when I first originally beat Breath of the Wild. And here we are 6 years later, and we have Tears of the Kingdom coming out, and I'm so excited. This is probably one of the most exciting consoles to come out, in my opinion, and I'm just super excited to dig into this. And I bought two. You guys might call me crazy, but it's just beautiful. And I've never owned and kept a special edition console before, but with this edition I am definitely planning on doing so. One is going to be for use, and the other one is just strictly a collector's item. I'm going to be buying an acrylic case. Well, actually I already bought an acrylic case that this is going to be housed in. I'm not going to open it. It's just going to be in pristine condition for until the day I die, because this is how much this console means to me. It's, again, the first console that I won't ever touch. It'll be in box. It's just one of my first pieces in my collection that I will have in just perfect condition, or as perfect condition as can be. So let's put this to the side and let's go ahead and open the Tears of the Kingdom Special Edition OLED. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Obviously in photos, honestly, it didn't look that crazy. Like I don't know about you guys, but it just didn't look that good. But now that I'm seeing this box and the colors of the Switch live, it looks so much better in person. Now I can only imagine how good the actual console will look in person. We're about to find out. Obviously, I feel like photos and videos never do any justice, and wow. Yeah. This looks so beautiful, and I knew I was right, but it definitely looks so much better in person. Wow. These are absolutely gorgeous. Wow. I can't believe I'm holding this in my hand. You know, when the game first came out and it finished, I didn't expect it to have a direct sequel. And please, guys, correct me if I'm wrong, but this is the first direct sequel of any Zelda game, correct? Like literally, this is Breath of the Wild Part 2. I mean, these Joy-Cons are just gorgeous. I love the little insignia on the backs. I don't know what they mean. If you guys do know what these mean, let me know. Maybe it's just part of the Tears of the Kingdom stuff that we're gonna see. But yeah, the design looks fantastic. It looks beautiful. And here, the little buttons in the inside are actually color coded as well, and they just look so gorgeous. Let's put these to the side. And let's pull out the console here. Actually, let's take a look at the actual device. And as you guys might know, the actual device here has a design as well. And of course, it's a brand new shiny OLED. Wow, that looks clean. Now, here is the back of the OLED, and it does have those circular designs, and it looks fantastic. Now, I'm curious if it has it under the actual stand here. No, underneath the kickstand is just your regular color, the matte black. But when you flip that down, there you have the design. It's gorgeous. This will be my main console. I have the original OLED, but I think we're gonna go ahead and retire that. I'm not gonna sell it. I'm not gonna flip it or anything. I just gonna keep it, but not use it, you know, just in case. But wow. It's absolutely beautiful. And when you touch it on the back, it does kind of have a little bit of a feeling. You can feel the pattern on the back of the console here. And yeah, that looks gorgeous. It's beautiful. It's very subtle. It's nothing crazy. It doesn't stand out all that much. But I think that's perfect. I think that's just enough. Now you have your HDMI cable, of course. You're going to have your big old power brick over here, USB-C. That's just standard across all the Nintendo Switch, even the OLEDs. And the Joy-Con grip here, yeah, unfortunately, it's just your plain old black Joy-Con grip. Honestly, for these special editions, I would have loved to see some sort of design. You know, I feel like everything in a special edition should get some sort of beautiful special treatment, and they just dropped the ball on this. But hey, it's Nintendo, and you know they're gonna do that to us no matter what. So I feel like we're kind of used to that, right? Now, of course, we have the stand here. Oh, I almost forgot these. let's actually take a look at the little grip things. I don't know what these are called actually, but these do have a little design to them. And you have the white and black, and then the strap itself has a little bit of a yellow design. I think that looks beautiful. It's gorgeous. I don't know about you guys. I don't really use these all that much, so I will keep these in the back, in the box, and I don't know, they'll just be there. If I do need to use them, they'll be there. But do you guys use these pretty often? I don't know if you guys ever see yourself actually using these, and if you do, what games do you guys actually use these for? All right, so that's it for the gear in the box. Let me put the box down here, and the rest of the packaging here. Nothing crazy, just your instruction manual. You know, another thing that kind of bugs me a little bit, rubs me the wrong ways with these special editions that Nintendo throws out. They don't even include the digital code. You know, a lot of the PlayStation edition consoles, like the limited ones, they actually include a game. They include the code at the bare minimum, which is something I think Nintendo should do, but again, it's Nintendo, and we're all kind of suckers for their incredible first party games. We're gonna buy them either way. Now, I haven't bought the game just yet, and I do wish I could get my hands on the special edition version of the game. In my opinion, it's a little lackluster. I just want it for my own personal collection. I'm not much of a collector. I have some stuff here and there, but Zelda is just, it's always hid a special place in my heart, and I really want to get into collecting more Zelda stuff. So here we have the actual dock, and wow. Yeah. This looks so beautiful. The front of it actually feels so smooth. Oh, wow. It doesn't have like kind of like that texture that the regular dock has. It's smooth. Wow, that feels so good. The actual design, it's beautiful. I have no words. It is absolutely gorgeous. This is one of the best docks I've seen. Here on the back, you have two bits of a design here. On the sides, don't really have much of a design. You have your standard 2 USB ports right here, but let's take off the back plate here. And on the back plate, let's see if there's anything. Nope, there's nothing. And on the actual back of the system, obviously you have your AC adapter, HDMI out, and then your LAN port here for the OLED models. Besides that, there's nothing else that's kind of special about the dock. I don't know, man. Nintendo, put me on. Oh, I'm gonna design one hell of a system for you guys. But this is beautiful. This is such a gorgeous limited edition console. And while I have you guys here, if you guys are still here, let's turn this thing on for the very first time. Yeah, the joycons on the Switch. It looks incredible. It's so good. Let's turn this on for the very first time together, and hopefully, yeah, it works perfectly. Here we go, Nintendo. There's the Switch logo. Give us a little. Oh, that's always so satisfying. I don't know if you guys remember the very first time you heard that, but the first time I heard that, I lost my mind. I was like, what is that noise? What is that sound? That's good marketing, that sound. But guys, I'm gonna set up my Switch. This is the limited edition Zelda Breath of the Wild, Tears of the Kingdom Nintendo Switch. It's absolutely gorgeous. If you guys do have the opportunity, the chance to buy this for yourself, please do. I think it's worth the money. It looks so much better in person. And if you're a Zelda collector, definitely add this one to your collection. Again, I have this second one. I bought the acrylic case on eBay. I'll put it in the link below, but it is backed order. So if you guys do want that for yourself, just buy it. I'm not like affiliated with it. I just found it, and I thought maybe you guys might find it of use. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. It's beautiful. I'm so excited for Tears of the Kingdom. Right now, I'm currently playing Breath of the Wild all over again, so my girlfriend can experience it for the first time. But we're excited, and yeah, hope you guys like the video. Subscribe for more, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Love you. Bye.